Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can enable the shell integration in Google Antigravity. So shell integration in Google Antigravity refers to the platform's ability to synchronize and interact with your local terminal, thus allowing the AI agents to generate, execute, and verify command line operations as part of their autonomous workflows. So also if you are agent in anti-gravity is not able to perform functions, this is likely an issue that your shell integration is disabled. So let me show you how you can enable the shell integration. So to do that, click onto the settings gear icon just besides your profile picture, and then from here click onto the open anti-gravity user settings. Now once you open this, from here simply scroll down and you will see this option that says enable shell integration. When enabled, agent will use IDE's shell integration to detect and report terminal command execution. When disabled, the agent will use its own shell. Restart the application for this to take effect. So simply enable this and now your shell integration is successfully enabled. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.